Hi, my name is Will DeLucy, co-founder and managing director of Amplify Trading. I want to take a couple of minutes just to talk to you about how we worked with the University of Manchester and their students this summer to help those students find their future in finance. Over 5 days, we delivered an online bootcamp that used the best of our simulations that rotated students through different roles in finance to help those students find their path. Overall, we had 3 objectives. Number 1, we wanted to help students experience the realities of working in finance. What's it actually like to work on a M&A deal? What's it actually like to work on a global markets desk of an investment bank as a sales trader or market maker? We wanted to deliver role-specific training. So using our technology, University of Manchester students took the same simulations delivered, for example, to senior traders at the Bank of China, as well as traders at many of the world's largest financial institutions. The students at Manchester got this practical experience which created performance data for them, which really helps do 2 things. First of all, the performance data help the students find what path in finance would be most suitable to them going forward. And secondly, this is something that they can have on their CV, and given our clients like the Bank of China, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America all use this data, it can make a real impact on their CV applications. So the program lasted over 5 days, and over each and every day, the students took a different type of simulation with Amplify Trading to experience a different role in finance. Here's a typical technology example. This is our investment bank sales and trading platform, where students would have rotated through roles in sales trading and market making, as well as working as the client to understand, right, what is it? What actually is it that the investment bank does? Why do they do it? And how can I really perform in this role? And finally, if this role is for me, how can I ensure that I secure this type of role in finance? This was the first time we've delivered this session online with the University of Manchester, and I'm happy to say it went incredibly well. The software that we used allowed students to work in a collaborative way online, but also in a competitive way online. So a full-day simulation session flew past, and the feedback that we've had from the students has been fantastic. The events themselves involve training and simulations, so we allow the students to, after learning some key initial theory, apply the theory that we've learnt, and we had some amazing feedback from those candidates. The impact is phenomenal, not only on the student to get a practical understanding of their future career in finance, but also to share that experience. And here you can see students from around the world sharing their experience on LinkedIn and sharing their scores in the simulations that they achieved through the bootcamp week. As I mentioned, many of the world's largest financial firms actively seek candidates having had this experience, and we're happy to continue seeing the success stories from the University of Manchester students as a result of this bootcamp. That's it from me. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found this worthwhile, and I look forward to seeing future students next summer for the Amplify Trading Manchester Bootcamp. Thank you.